this question is asking us about a radical equation, and specifically, what is the value of x that satisfies or makes the statement true? It says, what value for x satisfies the equation x squared plus 3x divided by x plus 3 is equal to 2? One of the things you want to do when you have a rational expression, which is essentially just a polynomial divided by a polynomial, you always want to factor both the numerator and the denominator if possible, and then see what could simplify. So if we do that in this case, looking at the top, the greatest common factor, what do both the terms have in common? That's x. So I'm going to take an x out of the top, and that leaves me with what times x gets me this x squared? Well, that's x. What times this x gets me the 3x? Well, that's 3. So factoring the top. And then the bottom is just a linear expression. There's no GCF. There's nothing we can factor out. So that stays as x plus 3. And that's all equal to 2. After we factored, we can see that the term x plus 3, the entire piece, there's one of those in top, and there's one of those in bottom, so that cancels out of the numerator and the denominator, leaving us with x over 1, which is just x, is equal to 2. So what's the value of x that makes that statement true? Well, x would need to be 2 in order to equal 2. That checks out. And so our solution, or the value of x that satisfies that rational equation, would be 2, which we can find in selection K.